Hello students, welcome to part 8 of chemical kinetics. Today we will be seeing integrated rate law. So far we have seen the differential rate law in terms of derivatives. Today we will be converting this differential rate law into integrated rate law so that it will give us the information about concentration of the reactants at the different time intervals. So now we will see the integrated rate law for the first order reaction. Remember, this integrated rate law will give us the information about how the rate of the reaction depends upon the concentration of the reactants in terms of derivatives and how the concentration of the reactants and products vary as the time passes. Okay, now let us derive this integrated rate law for the first order reaction. Students, the knowledge of integration and derivatives from mathematics is essential for this derivation. Consider a simple first order reaction. Okay, तो सबसे पहले हम लोग एक simple first order reaction consider कर रहे हैं where A is getting converted into products. Since we are interested only in the concentration of the reactants, we will write A for the reactants. Now we know that the differential rate law, जो हम already पढ़ चुके हैं in terms of derivatives, the differential rate law for the first order reaction is given as what? Minus d by dt of concentration of A. It is equal to K into concentration of the A, where K is called rate constant. Here this A represents, in the square bracket, it represents the concentration of the reactant A which is unreacted, you can say which remains at the time t. So we can say that A, where A is concentration of the reactant which remains unreacted at the time t. Okay, now if you rearrange this equation, what you will get? dA divided by A is equal to minus K dt. What we are doing? This A I am taking down and dt I am multiplying there and minus 1 multiplied on both the sides. Now let us say that A0 is the initial concentration of the A. हमने सिर्फ A को क्या बोला? Concentration of the reactant at the time t. Now let us assume that A0 is the initial concentration of the reactant. अब मैं जब बोलती हूँ इनिशियल कॉन्सेंट्रेशन ऑफ द रिएक्टेंट, इसका मतलब ये A का कॉन्सेंट्रेशन है when the reaction starts, means when the time is 0. And let us say that AT is the concentration of the A that remains unreacted at the time t. Okay, AT is the concentration of A at time t. Okay, now when we do integration of this equation, what we will write? Integrating above equation on both the sides. I hope you know the sign for integration is like this. Okay, किसको इंटीग्रेट करना है? डी ए अपॉन ए को, and this integration will be between initial limit to the final limit which is taken as AT when the reaction is considered from 0 time up to the time t. और राइट हैंड साइड जो कि है माइनस के डी टी, उसका इंटीग्रेशन मैं कैसे करूँगी? बिकॉज के इज कॉन्स्टेंट, आई विल टेक इट आउटसाइड एंड आई विल इंटीग्रेट द टाइम इंटरवल डी टी फ्रॉम द इनिशियल टाइम दैट इज 0 अप टू द टाइम t. Okay, now we know that the integration of 1 by x is log of x, which is called ln of x. So I am just integrating this equation, and what I will get on performing integration, I am getting the answer ln of a. And what are the limits of integration? That we will write as it is. The integration is between the lower limit, that is a0, to the upper limit, which is called at, equals to minus k as it is आएगा, and the integration of the small time dt which is taken many times, उसका इंटीग्रेशन क्या आएगा t, और इसका लिमिट्स क्या है 0 से लेके t तक. Okay, so what you will get, it is always upper limit minus lower limit. So I am getting ln of a t minus ln of a 0 equals to minus k. t minus t0 क्या आएगा, t आएगा, right? So when we have logarithms and minus in between, it means division. So I will write ln of at upon a0 equals to minus kt. If you multiply minus 1 on both the sides, what you will get, kt is equal to ln of a0 upon at, right? Means this gets inverted if you multiply minus 1 on both the sides. माइनस के टी को मैंने प्लस के टी लिखा, तो ये रेसिप्रोकल आ गया a0 by at. Now what will be k? Just tell me. K will be equal to 1 by t ln of a0 divided by at. Okay, 1 by t, ये जो t है टाइम, ये इधर ऑन राइट साइड आ गया, तो डिनोमिनेटर में आएगा a0 by at.